Hello everyone. So today in this video we will be having a complete tutorial and overview of an academy platform. Like if you are having an offline academy and you want to take your academy online and create online courses, online exams and online test series, uploading study materials, managing batches and all the students and student inquiries, solving their doubts, getting the doubts online and then solving them, and contact systems and your own app of your platform. So this whole tutorial will be about this. So how are the features in this website, so we'll be exploring in this video. So first of all, here is our hero section in homepage where all the details are listed, and one more thing that this homepage is totally customizable, and entire platform is totally customizable as per the needs of the academy. So let's go down, and here we can see all the things are listed, the ecosystem, then featured courses. So as we have only one course right now, so we can see the course listed here, and these things are like for listed here for the demo purpose only. All the real things will be listed by the academy itself, so you can customize and list anything whatever you want. So if we click on view all courses, then all courses listing will be showcasing here. Then we go down, then here is a one more section, like all these things are customizable as per the academy needs. So start mock test, then they will be going to the exam series. Here one more stats section, then practice exams. So whatever exams you will be creating from your admin panel those exams will be showcasing here. We can click on this exam, view details. But we have to first log in to see exam details in detailed version. So we'll be seeing this in upcoming time in this video itself. Here is the section of exam series, and if you want to like bundle the exams and make them as exam series, so students can go step by step, like for firstly first exam, then second exam, like a complete subject crash courses exam series you can manage it. So you can create exam series, and then these exam series will be showcasing here if you mark them as featured, and otherwise these all exam series will be showcasing here in exam series page. So after the exam series, here is a gallery listings, like all the hot shots or all the images or gallery snapshots of academies are listing here. And then we have a success stories stats listing where all the stats or scores of the top performers have been listed here. So after that we have a frequently asked questions. Students can see the frequently asked question here. And now we have how to access academy content. So if any student is like not having proper idea how to create account and how to access all the content so they can click on view guide, and if they have any doubt they can clear from here. Like all things we have mentioned there, like proper guides have been maintained there, so they can see like how to access exam series. Then they can see three types of exam series we have, and same goes for the exams and same goes for the courses. So now if they have any questions or they want to submit any inquiry, then they can click on submit inquiry. And if they are having any doubt about your programs, like online classes, offline classes, fee structure and anything, then they can submit these query from here, and you will be seeing these queries in your admin panel also. So that admin panel which will be providing you in this platform to manage this platform, so you will be seeing all these things there, so you can reply from there and view all the details of student and their message from there. And then here is a section of create free account and sign in, so they can create an account and sign in also. And then here is a footer section where from here the download app, any student if he clicks here, then they are redirected to the download app page, and from here they can download your academy app that is integrated feature in the website. So we'll be providing you the app also with the website. So and here is the footer section and contacts and the copyright area. So this was a brief overview about the front end, and here also all the things are listed test series, so students can directly go there. And about us, there are also the things like all the things about your academy and your company or business. Then contact us, anyone can contact you from here, and these contact queries you will be seeing also in your admin panel. So from clicking on login, student can log into your account, log into his or her account, or if they are not having an account, then they can create an account by entering their details here. So we will be just entering the user details. A demo user will be creating a demo, not demo, it will be a real user, not a demo user. You have to verify the OTP will be sent to your email. You just have to check your email. I'm checking my email and then filling the OTP. So here I have my OTP now. So I have verified my email, and then I can see here my proper dashboard, all the things I can browse from here, and my courses, my batches, study materials, my doubts, exam series, my exam results, certificates, profile and all. So in profile I can see my all the details, email verified and all, and settings, in settings I can change the password and all these things. So in my doubts I can ask any doubt. So students can ask any doubt by entering here doubt and topics and doubt question, and one doubt per day student can ask, as we have limited these things. So if you want to extend these limits, so it can be done also. And in my courses they can browse courses, and then these things will be showing up here, and if they complete the course then their certificate will be listed here to download, or they can also download it from the course page in like where they will be learning. So from there their certificate will be listed here. So this is a brief overview of student panel and my batches. Also in my batches students can see their batches, and all these things can be managed by the any student. So we'll be logging out from here. So now it's the time to see admin panel and all the features. So here we have implemented a security feature, like we have a secure route for admin panel. First, if any admin is there, he has to like verify the secret that admin can set from their admin panel. So they have to verify the secret, then only the admin can be logged in by entering their credentials. So clicking on enter, then admin can enter in their dashboard. So now users from dashboard we can see all the stats and all basic things from here. And from user, if I click on view the user, then we can view the user. And if I want to ban the user, if you want to ban the user and if they have done something wrong or something suspicious, then you can ban them too. So you can just click on ban, and you have to enter a reason to ban the user, and then when you click on ban, the user will be banned, and he or she cannot use the platform anymore until you unban them. They can contact you from the contact page if you ban them. So they can contact you and ask you like why you banned them. Also you will be putting the reason here. So if they think you banned them mistakenly, so they can put a request, and then you can see these things in contact queries, and then you can resolve accordingly. From students, here is student section. All students, you can add a student from here, like entering the name, email and password. After entering all these three details, you can click on create student, and student will be created. Or if you want to upload student in bulk, so you have to upload student data here in a CSV file, and the sample CSV file data is mentioned here. So it should have three headers: name, email and password, and the data accordingly. So you can just create a CSV file of all your students with the name, email and password you can set anything like their date of birth, that only student will be knowing and you will be knowing. So after logging to their account first time, they can change the password, or they can sign up by their self if they want, or you want to upload the student, then you can do it also. So now come back to the categories. After student management, we have categories. So in categories, the course categories you can manage from here. Clicking on after clicking on create category, you can enter category name and description, and then create category. Click on create category. Like if you want to create category of chemistry, then click on create category, and chemistry category will be created. Description is empty here as we haven't entered any description. And while clicking on subject, if you want to add subjects for managing batches, exams and all these things, so you can create more subject here. As we have created physics, so we'll be creating chemistry here, or here you have to give a subject code to identify all the subjects, no? So we'll be having here chemistry, and entering any subject code which will be having your academy name, or like any code you can enter according to your standards. After entering this, you can click on create subject, and then your subject will be created. I'm not creating it, so we'll be just leaving it as it is. After creating a subject, we'll be going to the batches, and here you can create batches. As we have already created all the batches, you can follow the similar process. You can name the batch, then for which classes this batch is, and then description for your own knowledge or identification, and then attach this batch to any subject, which is an optional feature if you want. And after creating the batch, the batches will be showcasing here, and then you can click on view, and then configure student, manage access. Which these features are, I'll be showing you. Click on configure student, so you can add any student in your batch. Like I'll be selecting all, or first 10, first 20. If you have multiple students, then you can select them from here. Then click on update batch students, and then in the batch the students are there. So 2 students are there in the batch, and then if I want to give the paid courses access to these students, like we'll be seeing how to create paid courses and all, and logged courses. So we'll be clicking on manage access, and then grant access. So in grant access, if we click on grant access, then you can select content type. If it is course, then you can select course, or if it is exam, then you can select exam, like biology practice NEET, practice test, NEET JEE English. So if you click on grant access, the students will be having the access of this test also, and that course was already given to the students, so it was not showcasing here in the courses. And then in exam series, if you want to give the access of physics mastery, then grant access. So the grant access feature is there for if you want to create any content that will be accessible by only the specific batch students. So you can manage that thing from here. Like you can create an exam series in logged type, and then you can give the access to these students, and only these students will be able to access that log type of content, whether it's a course or exam or exam series. So in all these 3, exam series, exams and courses, in all these 3 you can create a log type content, then you can give the access to the students from here. Back to batch, like configure students from here, manage batch access from here, and give the access to the students, and students will be having the access of content. If you have created a course with paid type, like a paid fee type, and you have taken the fee from the students as in offline mode in your academy, so you can also click on manage on access for that, and give that paid courses access to the students of any batch for free, so they can access these things for free. So back to the batches, and now as we have seen all the details of batches, how you can manage all the batches, you can click on here in shortcut buttons, and you can update all the batches from here also. In manage courses, let's move forward. So how you can create courses and manage modules and lessons in them. So now click on courses, manage courses, and then in courses, and now click on add course. Here you can add course title, course category. So as we have maintained the categories there, so we are entering a demo course. And category will be selecting chemistry, and duration in minutes will be like 200 minutes, and status will be published, and course type is free. Thumbnail image we will be choosing, and let's choose a thumbnail. Python. I don't want to choose Python, but I am having a technical screenshot there, so I'll be adding that for any sample purpose only. And here the description of course will be mentioned. So this is the description of course. Click on create course. The course will be created. So here all these things are listed, like lessons, how many lessons are there, how many students enrolled, what is the price, status, published, completed, and here you will be seeing pending. So what this pending means now, when you will be creating a course, so you will be posting one lecture this way, one by one you will be posting the lectures. And student, if you haven't completed the course by your end and students have visited all the lessons which have put it there, so after before you mark this course as complete, now they cannot access the certificate, because if the course is not completed from your end and student has visited all the lectures from their end, so they will be getting the certificate without the course is completed. So without marking this mark as complete button, so this course is not taken as completed and the certificate is not distributed till you mark it as completed. So if you mark it as completed, then it will be showing here completed, and then only the student can be able to visit this course. Not visit this course, they can visit as soon as the status is published, but after the completed status, now that only students can get the certificate of this course. So after marking it complete, then we can click on manage. Then after clicking on manage, you will be seeing here add module and create first module details here. And here from here we can create module. So here we'll be having module title, so I'll be entering module title, and then description. It's up to you if you want, and then order, in which order you want to show this, on the top, on the bottom. So click on save module. The module will be created. It's in the demo course. So now the module has been created. We'll be going back to the courses. Click on manage, and then after clicking on manage, from here add lesson. You can add the lessons after creating the module here. So here we'll be having a lesson title. It's the lesson 1. Let's suppose it's the lesson 1, then does this description. And then here is the content type, like which type of content you want to add in this lesson. So if it's the video, text, or code or anything, you can tag it from here, and then you have to enter the video URL, like the YouTube video URL you can post here. You can keep your video unlisted there or private, and then put that URL here, and the students will be able to see these courses and lectures in their student panel. From there they can from where they will be managing their courses now. So in each lecture of each module, they will be seeing these lectures there. So here you can enter the duration. I'm supposing it's like 40 minutes, and then order will be keeping it 1. Then click on save lesson. Then you will be seeing that in module 1 there is 1 lesson. So you can click on edit module, then you can edit it. And if you can click on, if you want to edit the lesson, then you can click on edit lesson, then you can edit it. If you want to add more lesson, then you can follow the same process for it. Then we'll be moving to next thing, I guess, as we have already seen all these things, how to manage courses. Just create the course, mark it as complete after it completed, or if you think it haven't been completed, then you can click on mark as incomplete, then it will be going in the pending state. Then I think we have seen all these things. In modules you will be seeing all the modules, so like you can create modules from here also, like attach to the course and then create module. And then same goes for the lesson, you can create the lessons from here and attach to the course, like which module you want to create this lesson. But I will suggest you to create the modules from here, like manage courses and create module, then coming back here and then click on create lesson, then the lessons will be created. So let us move to the exam series. what is exam series and how you will be creating them. As we have already talked about the exam series, if you want to bundle your courses, then you can click create exam series, and then you can attach those exam series in your courses. So we can create exam series in the three types: paid, free, and logged. If it is free, then it will be free, and if it is paid, then you will be entering the price, and if it is logged, then you have to then it will be logged and only to be accessible to the students in to which you will be providing the access by going into batches na. Then if you are providing the access of specific log type of series or paid type of series, or whether it's a free type, like you can provide access of all the three types of the exam series, courses and exams, but log type is specifically for the batches only or in the paid also. So I hope you will be able to understand what I'm saying by these things. So after adding the exam series, just you have to add the exam series, and when we click on view exam series, so you can view exam series here, this is the exam series and there is no exams attached to this series right now, so you'll be seeing 0. So this is only in the exam series. You have to do only these things to create an exam series. And after you have created exam series, like it's physics mastery, so we'll be going to the exams. So here we can see biology test, practice test, NEET JEE English. So you can preview the exam, questions, edit, delete, all these things you can do. So how to create an exam? First we'll be seeing that, and then we'll be seeing these options. Like here is the questions, duration, total marks, and passing. All these things are listed which we will be creating in the exam. And the series, if we have not attached any series to this exam, so it is an individual exam, so it is showing an A here. So here from exam we can create an independent exam where these things we have to enter. And in the part of series exam, like if you want to attach this exam to any series, then we can do this. So if I want to create an independent exam, then I can create an independent exam by filling all these details. And same goes for the part of the exam series. If it is the part of exam series, then you have to just take the exam series or choose the exam series which you want to this exam to go into that particular exam series. So here we can enter the exam title. If I want to create a demo exam, here overview will be, and then here it will be the description, then here will be the instruction. You will be adding all these things in a right way or proper way, as I'm showing for the demo purpose. So I'm adding these dummy data only. So minutes will be taking as 20, and passing percentage we can take as 50%. So from here, enable negative marking. So you can also like manage these things according to your I'm just showcasing you, but you can enter here. So enable negative marking. If you want to enable negative marking in your exam, then you can click on it, and then negative marks per question, then I'll be adding 1. And allow retake. If you want students to retake exam, like after giving an attempt, and if you want them to retake the exam, then you can allow the retake. We'll be allowing the retake system to the students, so they can like see where they were weak on which sections, and then they can attempt the exam again, then compare their scores or how they attempted all these things. So here description of marking scheme will be like +4, comma -1, and comma 0, like +4 for right, -1 for wrong, and 0 for unattempted. You can list these things here in proper way. Then click on create exam. After clicking on create exam, your exam will be created. And now we have to click on questions. So now here comes the very most important part of this session, like how to create the questions. So just click on add question, and from here you can select the type, which type of question you want. So if you want MCQ type of question, like hello, this is MCQ question, and there enter A, B, C, D. Like here you will be adding the question text, which is the question. Here is the options of the questions, and then if which is the answer. Like if option A, B, C, D, E, here option E is optional, or you can add more option as well, but we are having only 4 options, so we'll be selecting option A is the correct answer. Like you have to mention or like maintain these things accordingly as mentioned in your exam paper or in your exam keys. So all correct things to be there in creating questions. So if in case of results and calculation, these from this correct answer, the result will be calculated of the student. So now if you want to showcase any image in question, so just click on question image and then add this image here, and this image will be added to the question. Here is also a separate type of question also, image based. I'll be showing that to you also. Here the marks, how much marks this question carries. I'm supposing it's like 4, so I'll be adding 4 as we have mentioned in the marking scheme now, plus 4. So here in explanation you can add the explanation that students will be seeing upon the successfully submitted the exams, and show where they will be seeing their results now. So this explanation will be there. So you can add any explanation here, like so student can get the idea like why their question was right or wrong. So click on add question then, and your question will be added. This question is added right now here, and then we can preview exam also. So just tick here and exam, and you can see this will be the window to the student, and here he'll be seeing like how the question is appearing. You can see the proper preview of the questions and the exam, like how the proper preview of your examination will be seeing to the student. So you can manage it from here. So now we'll be seeing more questions output based. You can, as you are having what we say numerical type of question, so you can enter the question and the value of that question, like enter proper numerical question and what is the correct answer, and the exact answer to be entered here. Like if it is 1, or you expect student to enter 1, then it has to be 1 here. Or if you want student to enter 1.56, then it has to be 1.56 accurately here, and exact has to enter by the student also, then only he will be getting the marks. So for these things the platform is very strict. You have to exact put these things here which are the exact equals to the answer. So here we'll be adding the marks. Negative, I'm leaving empty as we have mentioned there, the one default 1 marks negative. So we'll can leave this empty as it will be taking 1 marks as negative. But if we will not be like leaving this empty, as here mentioned like leave empty for default 1. So if we leave this empty, then correct answer also it will be giving 1 mark only. So we'll be entering 4 here, and same goes for explanation, and then click on add question. We are not going to add this question, and then fill in the blanks. It is very same to the output based. You can like add here this type of question mark and fill up, and then exact answer to be entered by the student. Like you can do the same thing from the output based, but it is like for identification purpose. Like if it is output based or fill in the blanks, then we have put it here. Then match the following system. This is one of the most important also, as in the match the following we will be having the question here like match the following. Here you have to enter the left side of area, like 1, 2, and we can add more option as much as we want, and 4, 3, and here we can add 1, here 2, and here 3. And then if we have entered 3 items in the left column, then we have to enter right column 3 elements in the right column also. Then we'll be seeing here the correct matches, which means like for option number 1 from left, for left option number 1, which is the correct answer. Like for left column item 1, so we'll be seeing this as like match the following English to digits. If it's like 1, so we'll be matching it 1, and 2 for 2, and 3 for 3. So it's for left side the correct option is 1, and for the right side second is second, and the third is third. So take it as the answers. Like for the left side, which one left side option is correct, so we have to match it as like here. So for 1 it is 1, so for 2 it is 2, so here's option 2, and for 3 is 3. So it's that simple. So you have to just create a question now here by entering these details. So just create a question. So it will be a matchup type of question, so you can also see it here. And same is for image based, and for image based you have to just enter the text and image, and here you have to enter the answer you expect from the student. And same goes here, you have to enter the exact answer you want student to enter. And you can also, like, if you writing a question so you can write like this: what is the image about? And in bracket you can give a hint to your student write exact answer, as it will be matched strictly accurately, like same to same it will be there, so then only the student will be getting the marks. So this was the proper tutorial of how to add the questions in your exam. So also you are seeing here like bulk upload option. So here we have 5 types of questions: MCQ, output, fill up, and match up, and match and image type. So you can just click on here and you will be seeing like sample MCQ question CSV. So sample file you will be getting from here. So how you have to create the question in bulk? So in CSV file you will be having the headers and the data. You have to delete that data and keep that headers as it is, and then inside those headers you have to create the questions. Like in bulk upload, in the file, if we see the file, in this file there will be like first question, then option A, option B, option C, and image URL, and all these things will be there. So you can just click on that and click on it MCQ type, download it, and just click on bulk upload and edit the file, make your questions there, and select multiple choice question and choose that file. From here downloads and sample MCQ file, and then just click on upload. And if you see here successfully imported 5 questions, so here 5 questions have been imported. So you can just create like own data and then import it, and then these things will be showcasing here. And same goes for output based, fill up, match up, and image. You have to create accurate questions with accurate data with accurate headers, as separate files are having separate headers. So you'll have to create different type of questions, and then you have to click on upload and then choose which type of question is there, and then upload the questions. So this is how you will be creating the questions, and then you can just click on preview exam and you will be seeing demo exam, duration, total question, total marks, and all these things. So start exam, and from here navigation, students can start exam or like navigate to any question, like mark for review, and they can, if they are not sure, then they can mark for review. And from here it is the matchup types, so A, B, C, they can mark, and then next, and going to the 7th question, and then finish. But this is an admin preview, so it will be not counted as submission as it says here. So click on OK, and then we will be going back. So here how you can create questions, and then you can take preview, and you can edit the exam, and you can delete the exam also. So now move ahead to the study materials. So now here how you can create study materials. So just click on create study materials, give the title, and accessible to all the students or specific batch students. If all the students, then all students can see that study material, and specific batches, then only those batches which you will be selecting. Like click on the batch, and then if you want to select multiple, then hold your control in your keyboard and then select multiple, and then multiple batches will be selected. So here you can enter the description, and then these resources will be showcased to these specific batches. And if you select all batches, then it will be showcased to the all students in their study material section. So now course is optional. If you want to attach this study material to any course and lesson, then you can do that also, but it's totally optional. And click on add resources, and then just click on hello. Just click on add resources, and you can add resources with the title. Just enter the title if it's like notes, and then from here you can enter the resource URL, like the drive link you can add, website link you can add, whichever type of the resource it is. So you can upload that to the drive, and then you can link put that link here, and the resources will be added. If you want to add more resources, then just click on resources here, add resources, and then multiple resources you can attach it, and then click on create study material, and the study material will be created. So this will be showing in the students in of the specific batch student, and I'll be deleting it as if we don't want to showcase its dummy data. And same goes for the exams. I'll be deleting this demo exam, and I'll be deleting the category if I have created. No. So subjects, batches, so these all were previously there. So now come to the next section, the payments management. Here you will be seeing all the payments received in your platform. Like if you are creating a paid courses and paid exams or paid exam series, then students have to pay for those, so they can pay. So from here you can go to the gateway settings, and then you can set the payment gateway details, which we will be seeing here also, as it is also some confidential details will be there. So you can just click on gateway details, and then set up the payment gateway, your UPI ID there, and that UPI ID will be used in showcasing or creating a dynamic QR. That will be creating a dynamic QR, and that will be shown to the students if that is a paid course. And all the payments will be listed here, and then you can approve the payment, as it is a manual payment method. If you want to integrate any automatic payment method, then you can also integrate automatic payment method, but here the automatic payments will be, you will be seeing automatic and manual payments. You can distribute them, like differentiate between them. So you can click on manual and automatic. So you can also add automatic payment gateways, like API keys of your payment gateways, which are in this gateway settings. Or you can also add manual payment method, which will be in the gateway setting also. So we'll be going to the next enrollment section. So just go there in enrollments. Here all the enrollments of students will be, you will be seeing here. Like if any student is enrolled in any course, then it will be seeing, you will be seeing that here. So now in the contact queries, you will be seeing the contact queries made by any student. So you can just click on view, and then you can reply by email, or the status. After replying, you can update the status to the read or resolve. If you have replied, then we will be clicking on resolve, then it will be resolved. So that's same goes for student queries. So if student contact you from any inquiry, then you can like reply them from here also. So this is similar to the contact queries, but it's some way different, like the students or specific inquiries will be there. So we have differentiated both of these. So now the doubt queries. So if student ask any doubt, as we have seen in the student panel now, so how any student can ask the doubt, they'll be writing their doubts, and you'll be seeing the doubts here, and then you can reply to those doubts, or mark them read resolve, or like status will be updated accordingly after you reply them or see their queries. So let's go to the some admin settings here. After all these things, here is admin secret setting. So you can change your secret here. As here we have mentioned, like why to change the admin secret regularly. You can change it from here by entering current secret and then new secret. From here, certificate settings. So from here you can do the certificate setting here by entering logo, text, and the signatory. Who is the authorized signatory, and what is the title of signatory. You will be doing that from here. And then the payment settings you can do. So by clicking on payment settings, the payment settings will be showcasing here. And then we'll be going to the exam settings. So all the exam settings are here. Enable proctoring features and prevent tab switching. All the settings you have to enable. And then maximum auto submit setting, auto save interval settings, how often to save student progress. So these are all the things which you can manage from your admin panel according to your academy standards and your rules and regulation. You can see and manage all these things. And then retake you can allow and disallow. And then going to the email settings, you can enter your recent API keys and your data here, like what you have verified from the recent. As you can go to recent and sign up at recent, and then enter these details from here. So you can enable email sending, enable OTP for sign up, and then save email settings. And then your complete platform is ready and you can manage all these things. And if you still have any doubt and queries, you can contact us from our contacts, and you can also see our contacts in the descriptions also, so you can contact us from there. And if you want this platform for your academy and wanted it to more customizable and with some more feature or some less features or some more different things, then you can just contact us from the descriptions, and our contacts are also being listed on your screen also, so you can also contact us from there. So this was all for from today's tutorial. So thank you very much. Have a great day.